whatever the permeability is there, it is divided into three types. The first one is called as permeable, second one is called as semi-permeable, and third one is called as impermeable. Third one is called as impermeable. Let me explain you what is permeability. Permeability means letting the foreign objects, foreign materials to come inside. बाहर के चीजों को अंदर लेके आना, अंदर आने देना, बाहर की చీజో को अंदर आने देना, బయట ఉన్న వస్తువులు లోపలకు రానివ్వడం, దాన్ని పర్మియబిలిటీ అంటారు. నార్మల్ సెన్స్ లో పర్మిషన్ టు కమ్ ఇన్, నార్మల్ సెన్స్ ఇట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ as permission to come in, permission to come in. So what are this permeability is that divided into three types. तीन तरीके के रहते हैं, మూడు రకాలుగా ఉంటాయి. ఒకటేమో permeable, ఇంకోటేమో semi permeable, ఇంకోటేమో impermeable. The last one is the impermeable. The last one is the impermeable. So let me explain you. This is a bacteria. This is a bacteria. There is this there is this there is this sugar molecule. There is this sugar అంటే మీకు అర్థం కాదు, షుగర్ అంటే అర్థమవుతుంది, స్టిల్ ఐ విల్ నాట్ టేక్ దట్ వన్. I will try to take this H2 that is a water molecule. I will try to take the example of water molecule. So water molecule, this is your cell envelope. This is your cell envelope. This is your cell envelope. The water molecule wants to enter inside and it will be successfully able to enter inside. Thus, a water molecule will be successfully able to enter inside. The water molecule will be successfully able to enter inside. That type of case, the cell envelope is called as permeable. ओ टाइप में उसको क्या बोल के बुलाना होगा, सेल एनवेलप को it is permeable बोल के बुलाना होगा. In that cases, we can call the cell envelope as permeable. In that case, if the cell wall, if the cell envelope is allowing the water molecule to enter inside, then we can call the cell envelope as a permeable. We can call the cell envelope as a permeable. Now let me see second one. Now let me see the second one, ma. Now let me see the second one. Now this whatever this cell envelope is there, na ma. Whatever this cell envelope is there, cell envelope जो भी है ना, अब cell envelope if it is a semi permeable nature, तो क्या होता है बोले तो cell envelope will allow only oxygen atoms, will allow only oxygen atoms to enter inside. Will allow only oxygen atoms to enter inside. Oxygen atoms को अंदर आने देगा. ए प्रोटॉन्स या हाइड्रोजन एटम्स जो भी है ना, उसको अलो नहीं करेगा. वॉट आर द हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आर देयर, इट विल नॉट अलो, but it will allow the oxygen atom. So what the water has to do, water has to break down into protons and oxygen atom. It has to break into the oxygen atom. Now what will happen, oxygen atom will be able to enter inside the cell. Oxygen atom will be able to enter inside the cell. Let me explain you again. If you are having the problem, let me explain you again, ma. Let me explain you again. This is the cell, and this is your water molecule. If the cell envelope is semi permeable, में क्या होता है बोले तो जो भी cell envelope है ना, only it will allow the oxygen atoms to enter inside. It will allow the oxygen atoms to enter inside. जो भी protons और hydrogen atoms है, it will not allow them. So what will happen, water will break down and oxygen will enter inside and H2 जो भी है ना वो बाहर रहता. So in that cases, semi permeable membrane बोले तो semi permeable बोले तो क्या है बोले तो cell envelope is allowing some molecules. It is allowing some molecules. And not, it is allowing some molecules. It is allowing some molecules and not allowing some other molecules. 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 जो भी उसको सेल को होना, वो उसको लेने के लिए आने दे रहा. What are the cell requires? సెల్ కి ఏమైతే కావాలో అవి మాత్రమే లోపలకు రానిస్తుంది. సెల్ కి ఏమైతే అవసరం లేదో అవిటిని లోపలకు రానివ్వడం లేదు. जो भी सेल के लिए necessity है, what are the cell requires, what is the necessity for the cell, those things are only allowed to enter inside. And whatever the things are not necessary, they will be not allowed. In that area, the cell envelope is called as semi permeable. Semi means, understand, semi means half. Semi means half. Half means it is allowing half of the things and it is not allowing half of the things. And what is the third one, ma? What is the third one? Impermeable. Now explain me what is impermeable. In the messages, try to explain me what is impermeable. What is impermeable? In the messages, try to explain me what is impermeable. पहला बात तो permeable था. First case is a permeable. Permeable में क्या होता है बोले तो it will allow anything to enter inside. Permeable में it will allow anything to enter inside. Semi permeable में only selected molecules जो necessity है उनको अंदर आने देगा. जो भी जरूरत नहीं है उनको बाहर रख देगा. ఏవైతే అవసరం ఉంటాయో అవి మాత్రం లోపలకు రాని సెలెన్యులప ఏవైతే అవసరం లేదో వీటిని రానియనే రానియదు. What can be the semi impermeable? Sorry, last one. What is the impermeable? Very good Teja, very good Rohita, very good Alina, very good Samia, very good Ma, very good Ma, very good everyone. Very simple answer. Impermeable means it will not allow. It will not allow anything at all. Not allow anything at all. Anything at all. Amma, let me clarify you. This topic will be utilized again and again in your future topics. बार बार मैं explain नहीं करूँगा. This topic will not be explained again and again. And this topic is the important in your first unit. First unit में आएगा, second unit में आएगा, third unit में आ गया, आएगा. And again, this is not only repeated in your first year, second year maybe. Second year also you'll get the same topic. I mean, there will not explain. Textbook में directly semi-permeable, impermeable बोल के बोल देगा. There again you should never ask us, sir, what is this permeable, what is this semi-permeable. बाद में मत पूछो. And again, not only here, this topic will be repeated in your zoology also. Zoology में भी a topic repeat होगा. Even in your chemistry also, these topics will be repeated. That much of important topic it is. There is a permeability. तीन तरीके के रहते हैं. One is permeable. It will allow everything. Permeable का opposite क्या है? Impermeable. Permeable का one का opposite कौन है? What is the opposite for the first one? That is the impermeable. The opposite for the first one is the impermeable. Impermeable doesn't allow anything. Permeable allows everything. In बीचों के दिन मध्य लो. Who is present in between those two? That is a semi-permeable. Semi-permeable क्या करेगा? Necessity. जो भी required है उसको अंदर आने देगा. Whatever the things which are not necessary, it will not allow them. So you may ask me, sir, why did you brought this topic? Why did you brought this topic? Means, what are the glycocalyx is there now? Glycocalyx is a permeable membrane. It is a permeable wall. It is a permeable in nature. What is the glycocalyx is there? It is a permeable in nature. जो भी glycocalyx है ना, वो जो भी चीज है उसको अंदर आने देगा. Glycocalyx ఏదైతే ఉందో, glycocalyx, I'll show it in the diagram. Whatever the glycocalyx is there, it will allow every object to come inside. Whatever the glycocalyx is there, the third layer, the outer layer ఏదైతే ఉందో, ఈ బయట ఉన్న లేయర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, అడ్డమైన థింగ్స్ ని every object, it will allow every object to enter inside. Even if it is a poison भी रहने दो, उसको अंदर allow करने देगा, because it doesn't care. The selenium नहीं, glycocalyx doesn't care. That is your case, that is your case in the case of the glycocalyx. That is your case in the case of glycocalyx. Let me go to the next slide. When it comes to the cell wall, cell wall is also permeable. Cell wall also permeable. Cell wall doesn't care which molecule is coming inside, which molecule is going outside. Glycocalyx is also permeable. It doesn't care which molecule is coming inside, which molecule is going outside. Cell wall also doesn't care. It will allow every molecule to come inside. Cell wall भी जो भी है ना, it will allow every molecule to come inside. But plasma membrane is semi-permeable. Plasma membrane is a semi-permeable. Glycocalyx is permeable. Cell wall is permeable. Means both the layers will allow any molecule. अगर poison भी पी लो, poison को भी allow करने देंगे. But plasma membrane वैसा नहीं होता वहाँ. Plasma membrane is a special layer. What it will do means necessary molecules will can only enter inside. Necessary only enter inside. Necessary molecules can only enter inside. Necessary molecules जो भी रहते हैं ना, necessary बोले तो water, sugar, food materials जो भी रहते हैं ना, they can only enter inside. अगर poison आपको देने का है bacteria cell को, it will not allow the poison. Why? Because plasma membrane को मालूम है, the plasma membrane knows that if it allows the poison molecule to enter inside the body, the cell will die. So plasma membrane is a semi. Are we clear with this topic, ma'am? Are we clear with this semi-permeability topic, everyone? If you're clear, just raise your hands. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. This is a highly important topic. again will be repeated in your higher classes. Repeat होता ही रहेगा. Permeability, permission to come in, permission to go out, etc. etc. Permeability बोलो तो आने का जाने का कौन सा भी रहने दो. तीन तरीके के रहते हैं. మొత్తం 3 types ఉంటాయి అమ్మా. Permeable, first type is called as permeable, second type is called as semi permeable, third one is called as impermeable. Permeable means it will allow any molecule to come inside, it will allow any molecule to go outside. Semi permeable means it will allow some of the molecules to come inside, some of the molecules to go outside. It will not allow every molecule. Necessity ఏవైతే అవసరం ఉంటాయో जो भी necessity है. अभी कोरोना चल रहा, बाहर जाके शॉप में से कुछ तो भी लाओ बोले तो आप लोग पूरा का पूरा सामान पूरा भर के लेके नहीं आते ना. वहाँ यू विल ओनली ब्रिंग दोस विच आर नेसेसिटी फॉर यू. You will bring those things which are necessary for the home. Doesn't mean that you will not bring anything at all. Doesn't mean that you will bring everything at all. पूरा का पूरा लेके नहीं आएंगे, पूरा कुछ भी बिना लेके भी नहीं आएंगे. You will bring some things which are necessity. So सेल के लिए भी थोड़े necessities रहते. Those things will only allow. And impermeable means it will not allow anything at all. Impermeable means it will not allow anything. Just try to remember this. जो भी अगर नहीं लिखे तो screenshot ले लो, बाद में लिख लो. Remember, glycocalyx is a permeable layer, cell wall is a permeable layer, but plasma membrane is a semi-permeable layer. Plasma membrane is a semi-permeable layer. I hope it is very clear. If you're having any doubts, I will be ending the class right now. I will be ending the class right now. If you're having any doubts, you can message in the WhatsApp group. Botany doubt बोल के लिख के जो भी doubt है ना वहाँ पर पूछ लो. I will try to clarify in tomorrow's class. Flagellum completed. Flagellum is helpful for the locomotion. Cell envelope completed. Cell envelope in a deeply manner. Cell wall और plasma membrane deep में eukaryotic cell में पढ़ेंगे. अब यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं पढ़े तो फिर कुछ भी problem नहीं. I might skip some points. Skip कर दिया होगा थोड़े points. Why I might have skipped means we are going to study in the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell में पढ़ने वाले तो यहाँ पर तो skip करना ही पड़ेगा. And tomorrow we will study Pylean fimbriae. What is Pylean fimbriae? We will study tomorrow. We will study mesosome. We will study ribosomes. We will study plasmids. We will study nucleates. We will study liposomes. We will study all these things in tomorrow's class. That's it for today. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. I will try to clarify in tomorrow's class. So I will be leaving. I will be leaving now. Everyone, have a nice day. Everyone, have a nice day. PUBG, TikTok, Messenger. Have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. I will be leaving the class.